Number 9, solve the systems of equations, and it gives you the two equations. Here's one way to do it. I could take each point, plug it into my A and B, see which one works for both. A little bit of work, not real hard, okay, but I could find my answer. Or you can solve this on using your ACT program. All right, so hit enter to go back to your main menu. Which one do you think I'm going to choose by looking at the menu? Number 3, systems of equations. Okay, then it's just going to ask you questions. What size? What size means how many equations do you have? Okay, I have 2 equations. Enter. Okay, so it always will tell you what form it needs to be in. I need to have my x and my y on one side, my other number on the other side. Now, they use a's and b's. Does it matter? Doesn't matter. Okay, a takes the place of my x, b takes the place of my y. All right, so what is my a in my first equation? 2. My b is 3. My c is 12. Okay, then it switches. Now they're asking me for equation 2. 5. Okay, b, don't forget, you have to include that sign, -1. And my c is 13. Solves it for you. So my ordered pair is 3, 2. Okay, so what does that mean? That means I could plug 3 in all my A's, 2 in place of all my B's. It's going to work. All right, we could have plugged them in on our own, but it's just going to save us time. All right, number 10. Same type of problem, but instead of using 2 equations, we have 3. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter to get back to my main menu. Number 3 for systems of equations. This time, what's the size? 3. Okay, again, it'll tell you what form it needs to be in. So my a in this problem would be what for my equation 1? It's going to be a 1. My b is -2. My c is 1. And my d is -4. Now I'm going to go to my equation 2. -4, 1, -2, 1. And my last equation is 2, 2, -1, and 10. Two, 1, -4. All right, find the missing sides of the triangle. Okay, in order to do this, well, for this one, we'd have to make this a right triangle, see if we could use trig ratios somehow, okay, because we can only use trig ratios if we have a right triangle, or we could use law of sines or law of cosines, okay? But anytime you have a triangle, or need the area of a triangle, you can put it in your ACT program. All right, so let's look at it. I'm going to hit enter to get back to my main menu. I'm dealing with a triangle, so it's number 4. Okay, this is the only thing that you need to figure out when entering in your information. What kind of triangle do I have? I have an angle, I have a side, and I have another angle. So I have angle, side, angle. Okay? So that's going to be number 1. Then it's just going to ask you to fill in the information. What's my first angle? 37. Enter. What's my side? 100. What's my other angle? 42. Enter. All right, so it will list all of your angles. it will list all of your sides, and it will also give you the area of the triangle. Okay? Now, when it lists these, this angle would always be opposite this side. So 101 is always opposite that side. So they kind of go together. Okay? Everyone good? Let's look at one more. Find the missing sides and angles of the triangle. So I'm going to hit enter to get back to my menu. Number 4 for triangles. On this one, what kind of triangle do I have? This is angle, angle, side. Now when I put this in, so angle, angle, side, number 2. This, you have to enter in your angles in the correct order. I went angle, angle, side. So this would be my first angle that I put in. 23, 37, my side is 15. Gives me my other angle, my 3 sides, and the area of that triangle. Okay. I'm going to press enter to go back to my menu.